Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Nexo app and export tax reports, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Nexo app, start by locating the app icon on your device. If you're using an iPhone, gently press and hold the Nexo app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. For Android users, locate the Nexo app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options. Confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Now that the app is uninstalled, let's move on to exporting your tax reports. Open your web browser and go to the Nexo website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Tax Reports. Select the tax year for which you need the report. Choose the format in which you want to export the report, usually PDF or CSV. Click on the Export button to download the report to your device. Check your Downloads folder to access the exported tax report. Remember to back up any important data before uninstalling the app or navigating through the export process. You've now successfully uninstalled the Nexo app and exported your tax reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.